Hi everyone, welcome to today's English time. I hope you all are fine and doing well. So, today I came with a small story for you. Are you excited for stories? The story entitled as One Foggy Morning. One foggy morning. Do you like stories? Often you are listening stories from your teachers, grandparents or your parents. Do you like stories? What kind of stories you like? Did you ever heard of science fiction? What do you mean by science fiction? A story related to science. Then animal stories is there, bird stories is there, then mystery stories is there, fairy tales is there, many kinds of stories are there. So today I came up with a story, One Foggy Morning is a kind of story which contains some magical elements in it. So in this story there are two members only. The two characters only. One is Rishi and another one a strange man. Another one a strange man. One is Rishi and another one strange man. How the story going on with a strange man and with the only two characters, Rishi and the strange man, only two characters. How would be the story going on? We'll check it out. It's moving on to the story, One Foggy Morning. So from the title, what do you mean by foggy? Foggy means very snow during December days or the rainy days. When you look up the morning sun time, how is the atmosphere? It will be a foggy time, isn't it? So like that, one foggy morning. So something that happened on this foggy morning with Rishi. Something that happened on the one foggy morning with Rishi. That's the story, One Foggy Morning. So moving into the story, one day Rishi is standing at the bus stop to get the school bus. It's time 6:30 a.m. So morning 6:30 a.m. Rishi is standing at the bus stop to get the school bus. So how do you get to school? Are you coming in school bus or by walking? So yes, many are coming in the school bus and many are walking, or some of them will pick up by the parents, isn't it? So like that, our Rishi is standing at the bus stop to get the school bus. It's early morning, the time is 6:30 a.m. So that time, Rishi heard a sound behind from him. He heard a sound of a man. He was what? He was like, oh, who called me? Like that. He think that, who called me? He has seen a man. A man is the variety look. His appearance is very different. What was his appearance? Yes, he has wear a green coat. The man has wear a green coat and brown shoes. A green coat and brown shoes. Then his head was very large. His head is very large, and on the head he has wear one white floppy cricketer's cap. Did you see cricket? Did you see cricket? Often the umpires or the fielders wear the white cap. No. White hat, that like hat this man wore. So the man is there with a green coat, brown boots and a white cap with a white big head. So Rishi was like, this I don't know this man. It's a strange man. To Rishi, the man is a strange one. To Rishi, the man is a strange one. So, the man is asked something to Rishi. What he asked? Something he asked. So, before that, the Rishi thought that he might be an army man. What Rishi thought? The man near to him must be an army man. It's only the thinking of Rishi. Rishi thinks that the man standing near to him might be a army man. Why Rishi think like that? Why? Because the man has a very tall man with a body of an army man and worn the green coat and brown boots. It's looked like an army man. That's why Rishi thought that the man is an army man. So that time the man is asked the Rishi, "Are you going for a hike?" The man asked Rishi, "Are you going for a hike?" What do you mean by hike? Do you know hikers? Who are hikers? What is hike? Hike means those are hikers, or hike means to climb up a mountain. The persons that's who climb up a mountain. So the Rishi is standing with a big bag on his shoulder, and it was very heavy. Looking that strange man asked, "Are you going for a hike?" Rishi doesn't like that. He is wearing a uniform and hung the school bag. The man is asking whether he is going to a hike. Rishi doesn't like that age. He said, "Hike? No, school." Rishi said, "I'm going to school." Rishi said, "I'm going to school." So the man again asking what he asked, "Do you like maths?" The strange man asked Rishi, "Do you like maths?" Then what he said? Then he said, "Give me one sum. I will do it." That strange man tell Rishi to give some maths to him. He will do it. He will calculate it and he will say the answer. The strange man asked Rishi to give one maths to him. He will solve it. So Rishi thought it. He thought again and again and give a big sum to find out by the strange man. Rishi give a big maths to solved by the stranger. What was the maths? The Rishi said 9,989,762 divided by 786. Can you do that maths with immediately? Can you do? No, you are not unable to do that like big maths. But here the strange man immediately tell the answer. The strange man immediately tell the answer. That time Rishi was confused. He is confused whether the answer is right or wrong. The strange man gave the answer of that maths, but Rishi was doubt on it whether the answer is right or not. So what he do? What may he do to find out the right answer? Yes, he take out a solar calculator from his bag. Rishi took out a calculator from his bag and he has do the maths in the calculator, and he has found that the answer is right. What the stranger said, the answer that was right. Rishi confirmed the answer is correct from the calculator. So that time Rishi said, "What? Only Shakuntala Devi can do like this." Who is then Shakuntala Devi? Did you ever heard the name Shakuntala Devi? Shakuntala Devi as a person, she can do maths more speed than a computer. She is very special, very much speed in doing maths more than a computer, and she conducting many shows all over the world. She is very excellent in maths. So here the stranger said the answer immediately for a big maths. So what Rishi said, only Shakuntala Devi can do this type of maths, not you. Then that time the stranger took out other gloves. His hand, he has wear gloves and he closed his palm. He closed his palm and opened it, and something has in his hand. What is that? Chocolate. What in his hand? Chocolate. So Rishi was surprised. Oh, the man closed his palms, and when it opened, he has found one chocolate. And the strange man offered this chocolate to Rishi. The strange man offered the chocolate to Rishi. But Rishi refused to take the chocolate. Rishi refused to take the chocolate because it is not fair to take chocolate from an unknown man. It is not fair to take a chocolate from the strange man. So Rishi refused to take the chocolate. That was the first section of the story, One Foggy Morning. Once again, rewind what happened the first section. Rishi, one of the character of the story, standing at the bus stop to get on in the school bus. So that time, one strange man came there. Rishi thought that he might be an army man. And what did army man said? He asked Rishi where he is going up hike. What Rishi said? Rishi said, I'm going to school. Then the strange man asked, do you like maths? Do you like maths? And he said what? The strange man said, give some maths to the man. He will solve it. He will solve the maths. Then what did Rishi do? Rishi gave a big one to solve by the strange man. What happened? The strange man said the answer immediately. Then Rishi was doubt on that. Is the answer is correct or wrong? So what did he do? He checked the answer in the calculator. He took one calculator from the bag and checked the answer in the calculator. So Rishi found that the answer is right. Then what did Rishi said? Only Shakuntala Devi can do this type of maths very fastly, not by you. She is very intelligent in maths. She is doing maths more speed than a computer. And after that, the strange man with his gloved hand closed his palm and opened it, and he has found one chocolate in the hand. The strange man closed the hands, and when he opened it, one chocolate was there. Then he offered the chocolate to Rishi. Then what did Rishi do? Rishi refused the chocolate. Why? Because he knew that it's not fair to get chocolate from a strange man. That's happened in the section 1. Then moving to the section 2. What happened in the section 2? Yes. Then seeing this magic. Is that a magic? The man is taking a chocolate from the closed hand. Is that a magic, isn't it? So Rishi asked the man, are you a magician? Are you a magician? So again this strange man, what he do? He again close the palm and then hand, and when he opened it, one card is in his hand. One card is in his hand. So first time when he do it, what was in the hand? Chocolate. So second time when he opened it, what was that? A card. So when the strange one offered the chocolate to Rishi, what did he do? He refused it. He didn't take the chocolate. But second time, when he see the car in the strange man's hand, Rishi was attracted. Then what he do? He took the car. He took the car from the strange one. Then what happened? Again, Rishi was down. Where from the strange one? took the car? Where from the strange man took the car from? Rishi thought that it is from his green coat. Rishi thought that the strange man is taking the car and chocolate from the green coat. So then the Rishi said to the stranger, are you taking this chocolate and car from your green coat, isn't it? So what is that strange man said? Now also you believe that I'm a magician. Then you believe like that. The strange man said, Rishi is thinking that he is a magician. So he decided no need to change that. So then the car in Rishi's hand fell down on the floor. Which car? The car Rishi taken from the hand of the strange man. That car fell down on the floor at the bottom of that the feet of the strange man. At the feet of the strange man. So Rishi began to bend down to take the car, but the strange man said, wait. Then the strange man took out the car, but in a different way. The strange man take out the car in a strange way. What is that? What is that? The strange man simply shown his hand, and his hand is lengthened up to the bottom. His hand lengthened up to the bottom, and he took the car, and the hand come back to the back position, and he give the car to Rishi. Rishi was surprised. How we are taking something, see if it fall on the floor, we'll bend down and take. Then here the stranger, what he do? His hand get a length. His hand lengthened to the floor, and he took the car. Rishi was amazed. And the strange man understand that Rishi is amazed and surprised with that. The man do another trick. The strange man do another trick. What is that? What is that? Yes, the strange man put the car at the middle of the road. The strange man put the car at the middle of the road with his hand by lengthen. By lengthen his hand, he keep the car at the middle of the road. And then the car began to ride. How? Yes, when the usual car riding on the or going in the road is how any sound. Is the car how any sound? Yes, the car how the sound, it's how horn. Like that, when the car, the strange man keep it on the middle of the road, it took some sound like the exact car. Like the real car, this car also riding in the road. Rishi was surprised. Will you surprise like that? As a toy car is making the usual ordinary car sound, will you surprise? Yes, like that Rishi is surprised to see his toy car is riding on the road like the ordinary car. Then that time what happened? What happened is the strange man is asking about the studies of Rishi, about study matter. But Rishi said, he is not smart at studies. So, that time is going. The toy car is within Rishi. That time the school bus arrived. The school bus arrived. So, Rishi don't turn back, don't look at the strange one. He rashly get into the bus, and when he is standing on the bus, he turned and waved his hand to the strange one to say bye, but no one was there. What happened? Up to that time, till that time, Rishi was talking with whom? A strange man, isn't it? But when Rishi went and get into the bus and he turned to say bye, no one was there in the bus stop. And suddenly Rishi checked his bag and the toy car is there. The toy car that has given by the strange man is safely in the bag. But the strange man is vanished from here. The strange man vanished from there. That's called one foggy morning. Did you understand the story? Did you understand the story? Once again, go through the story. So, first what happened, section 1? Rishi is a schoolboy. He is standing at the bus stop. He is standing at the bus stop to get in the school bus. Who came there? Who came there? A strange man. A strange man. Then a strange man came there. What the man asked to Rishi? Whether Rishi is going for a hike. Then what did Rishi said? No, he is going to school. Then again what he said, the strange man need some. He needs some to solve. And Rishi gave a big one. Then what happened? The strange man sold it. The strange man solved the problem immediately, suddenly. No more thinking, he solved the problem. So what did Rishi said? Only Shakuntala Devi can do the maths in this speed. Only Shakuntala Devi can do the maths like this. Then the strange man showed a magic trick to the boy. What was that? First he closed his hand and what thing come? Chocolate. What thing? Chocolate. Is Rishi received the chocolate? No, Rishi refused the chocolate because it's not fair to get chocolate from a strange man. So second session. Secondly, the man again do the magic, how he closed the palm, open it, and second time what was in it? A car. A car. Seeing that, Rishi asked the man whether he is a magician. Whether he is a magician, are you taking these things from your green card? So what the man said, he is not a magician. Then again what happened? Rishi received the car from the strange man. Rishi received the car from the strange man. Then what he asked? Rishi asked the permission to the strange man to keep the car with him. Then the strange man agreed. Rishi took the car with him. Then that time the car fell down on the floor. The car fell down on the floor. At that time, who took the car out? Who took the car? The strange man. The strange man took the car from the floor. How? He lengthened his hand. He lengthened his hand and do not bend. He took the car from the floor. Rishi was amazed. Then second time, what happened? That strange man kept the car where? At the middle of the road. Where? At the middle of the road. So that strange man kept the car where? Middle of the road. And from that time itself, the toy car is making the sound of a real car. That toy car making the sound of a real car. Then after that, that strange man asked Rishi whether all boys, all students like you, how your studies going. Then what Rishi said, he is reading many books but not smart at studies. Rishi said he is not smart at studies. At that time, the school bus arrived. Rishi keep the toy car inside the bag and ran into the school bus, and when he reached the bus, he turned back to say bye to that strange man, but the strange man was vanished. That strange man was vanished. The strange one was vanished. Why? What do you think about that? What do you think about that? Is that a magician? Is that a magician? Do you think that? Or a strange one, maybe a magician or a person. He came to Rishi and showed some magic tricks and went back to his own place. When Rishi get into the school bus, he turned back to say bye, but what happened? He can't see the strange man. The bus stop was empty. That strange man was vanished from there. The strange man vanished from there. That's the story, one foggy morning. So this thing is happening in a foggy morning when Rishi is standing at the school in the bus stop to get in the school bus. That time a strange man came there, and what happened? He shone some magic tricks and went. He vanished from there. That's the story, one foggy morning. I hope you all understand the story. Thank you.